In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track a UTM in Google Analytics. Understanding how to track UTM parameters is crucial for gaining insights into your marketing efforts, allowing you to see where your web traffic is coming from and how your campaigns are performing. First, let's briefly discuss what a UTM code is and why it's so important. UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, and essentially, it's a small snippet of text added to the end of a URL. This text carries valuable information that tracks specific campaign elements like the source, medium, or campaign name. By effectively using UTM parameters, you can track specific pieces of content and where they're driving traffic to your site, making it a vital tool for marketers. Now, let's dive into Google Analytics. Once you're logged into your Google Analytics account, you'll begin on the dashboard. Navigate over to the left-hand side of your screen where you will see the Reports section. Click on this option to expand the drop-down menu. From here, you will encounter various reporting categories. To pinpoint the UTM tracking, we'll be focusing on the acquisition reports. This specific section is designed to offer a detailed view of where your traffic is coming from, breaking down by source and medium, and it's the key to understanding your user acquisition. You have a choice between two paths here: traffic acquisition or user acquisition. Let's first explore traffic acquisition. Clicking on this option will direct you to a detailed analysis of how people are accessing your site. On this page, you can utilize the data to examine each source of your traffic in relation to your UTM parameters. You'll notice that the interface offers numerous columns. Among these, you'll see the source-medium column, which is where your UTM parameters will show up. Make sure to analyze this data to refine your marketing strategies based on performance insights. Alternatively, you can choose user acquisition, which provides a broader overview, focusing primarily on new user metrics. This view can be incredibly helpful if your goal is to see how many newcomers are engaging with content linked through UTMs. The insights here are crucial for understanding the effectiveness of specific campaigns in attracting new audiences to your website. A helpful tip to streamline your process is to use filters. In each acquisition view, you can set filters to narrow down data specifically to certain UTM parameters you are interested in monitoring. It helps when you have multiple campaigns running simultaneously, giving you the ability to focus on individual campaign performance metrics. Harnessing these features in Google Analytics allows for comprehensive monitoring and improvement of your digital marketing strategies. By following these step-by-step instructions, you'll maximize your use of UTM tracking, ultimately leading to more effective campaign management. Stay tuned for more insightful tips on optimizing your analytics journey.